Hi everyone! For tonight's dinner, I'm gonna make a baked scallop. I already made one. So I already made one batch, and I removed my ring because this is fishy. So I washed it already, but I don't want to mess up my ring. So now I'm gonna do the other batch. So I washed the scallop, and then I wash it. So I'm gonna make a baked scallop. So I'll be needing butter. I use this butter from a cafe because it's more easy to open and easy to cut than the normal butter we have. I'm gonna put a little bit of butter at each scallop. For the big ones, I want to make it like a little more buttery, so I'm gonna put more butter to it. For the small one, just enough for it. There are other ingredients also, so I want to use the other things. So more butter for this. I have lots of this at the takeout, so I'm gonna use it. Put more butter here. This. Later, I'm gonna show you the finished product of the first batch. But after, before I cook it, because it will take a while. You can use any butter you like. I want this one because it's tasty, because it's for bread. It's from the cafes. I just put more on the other ones. There. So next thing is I'm gonna put margarine. This is Star Margarine. You can buy it here at the Philippines. It makes the food more tasty. It's like normal margarine, but it has a garlic flavor. This one is garlic flavor, you can see. So I don't need to cut garlic. I don't put much for the margarine because I don't want to overwhelm the taste. So, hi again to my husband. Hi, Corey Blake. He watches channel ko, and Mama. They make nice foods, home cooked foods. So they are better cooked than me. Okay. Ay. wanted to put straight to the scallop, so I don't need to mess up here at the kitchen, because for everyone to know, I'm a little oozy. Oh my gosh. Wait it. So I think everyone has margin. I'm sorry, it takes a while. Okay, everyone has now. I'll put this back to the fridge so it won't melt down here because it's greasy. Then I'll put cream cheese for additional taste. I use Arla. It's my favorite kind of cream cheese. So I'll put a little on each. I love cheese. Not much again because this is a little sour. So not putting too much. Just enough for what I like it to be. I mean to taste. Oh. Sorry, I use my because I don't know, it's easier for me, but not easier for the butter. I mean for the cream cheese, because it's mashed. So I'll put this at the see. And don't forget to wash hands every time. put this back to the fridge also. Then, not last thing, but I'll put cheese toast. I wash hands, don't worry. So now I'm gonna put a mix of shredded mozzarella and cheddar. You can buy it here in the Philippines. It's cheap. It's the cheap kind, but it still tastes same. So I put on each. I'll mash it because it's shredded. I don't want to use knife because I get cut easily. So hi again to my husband. Again, my ring is at the cabinet. I don't want to mess it while I'm cooking. So you can see the ring is not there. It's a real gold, don't worry. I just don't want to have it with cheese and butter and margarine because it's precious. It's from my hobby. And the last thing. There. Wash again. Wash hands again. Put this back to the rest since I'm cozy. Then I'll use oyster sauce. It's like a sweet soy sauce. Sweeter, a little sweeter, no, sweeter than the Worcestershire. I'll just put a little on each. There. Pretty. You can talk in Tagalog, you know, but I chose to talk in English so everyone will understand, even my friends here. Shout out to my best friend, Samira Marie Rosalion Baliwas. And of course, my other friend, best friends, it's May Ramos de Ocampo, and my other best friend since high school, Hina Peralta. Hello guys! Tell your friends to subscribe on my channel, huh? Guys, I know you. And also, to my friends back in college, Desiree Lagahino. Hello there, friend. I know it's you. I'll put now a little black pepper. Sorry, I didn't have the chance to tell you before I put it. Just a little on each. Maybe some. So it's like a little ground not super dry. So I'll put this back. So this one I made. I'll set this aside because I made the first batch. This one. Right, it's now in my video. See? It's the first batch. So now, I'm gonna put this at the oven. I'm only using oven toaster because it's easy. Now, Mommy! Then now, I'm gonna put a little, no, not at that. I'm gonna put it at, there's no temperature on the toaster, you know, oven toaster. So I'll just set this to maybe 8 minutes. So let's see, I'm gonna put this to the ref first. Later, I'm gonna show you what it looks like. So, wait for me. Gonna get my ring too and wash my hands first. I'll be back. After 8 minutes, I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Okay. You need to see it. So, it's not a good quality. It's not dirty, you know. It's just oils. Toasted oils. Sorry, guys. I know, I'm gonna clean that up. Okay. I'll be back. Love you, Corey. So, hi everyone. This is the second batch now that I made. I showed you earlier. It's the second batch. And this is the first batch. This is the finished product. Sorry for the spoon because I took it out from the oven toaster. So it's kind of juicy. And that's the cheese. The cheddar and the mozzarella. And then the cream cheese and the butter and the oyster. It mixed well together. And it's so good. It's my favorite dish. I made this dish also. So this is my own recipe. So now this is my ring. So for everyone, it has a name inside, like Kim and Corey, and then the date for the wedding ring, the date of our wedding, and the engagement ring is, it says for Corey. Yes, I'm for Corey. So this is it. I'm done. So thank you for watching. And shout out again to my friends Samira, May, Hina, and Desiree, and also kay Ilagan, Ron, and Ice. Continue watching, guys. Or else. Joke. But hey, love you, Corey. Bye bye, everyone.